Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. So, this lecture is about chapter 9 Social Health. The definition of health. We have studied about health. What is health? It is not only the absence of any illness, the patient, the person should be physically, mentally, and socially fit. He should be healthy physically, mentally also he should be healthy, and social behavior of the person should also be good. So that is said to be health. Now, social health means the relation of the person with people around him, that is social health. Nowadays the social health is deteriorating, that means it is decreasing because of the different technology which we are dealing with. This chapter is about the social health, factors endangering the social health, and stress management. First, in figure 9.1, they have given the factors affecting the social health. What are the factors? We'll start with education, financial status, gardens, social and physical conditions of the surrounding, social environment of the surrounding, residential area, water, toilets, political conditions, playgrounds, social treatment, social safety, transport facilities, education and job opportunities, and satisfying basic needs of persons, food, clothing, shelter, medicines, etc. So, all these are the needs which is essential for today's social health. You will be having a question on factors affecting social health, a 2-mark question. You may learn any 6 to 8 of them. Next, page number 102. What is social health? You may underline. Social health is the ability of a person to establish relationship with other persons, ability to change one's own behavior according to changing social conditions is an important characteristic of social health. Various factors like strong personality, having large number of friends and relatives, proper use of time during loneliness and with peer group, trust in others, respect and acceptance for others are important for good social health. You may mark till here if you are having a question on what are the factors affecting social health, okay, or what is social health. So basically, what is social health? It is the ability of a person to establish relationship with other persons. So according to the person in front of you, you should be able to change yourself and keep social relationships. Now, the factors distributing social health. This is an important 3-mark question. What are the 3 factors? First is mental stress, second is addiction, and third is incurable diseases. Mental stress, you know the meaning of mental stress. Competition has increased in opportunities for education, employment, and business due to increase in population. Okay, children are facing problems of loneliness and mental stress due to different reasons like nuclear family or nobody to take care of them. Especially there is differentiation between girls and boys. That means the parents or the elder people at home, they discriminate between girls and boys. Girls should be knowing the kitchen work, that is a particular statement which has to be done. So girls should be knowing kitchen work, that is one thing, and boys, they can roam around everywhere. So this has to be changed. Everyone, whether it is a boy or a girl, everyone should be knowing some amount of kitchen work, at least the urgency, according to the urgency, one should be able to cope up. That means at least the minimum necessities that one should be able to do on their own. So about this is a mental stress condition for girls. Adolescent girls have to unnecessarily face the problems like teasing and molestation. So girls are facing the problem of stress due to such gender inequality. Nowadays, everyone has to face the stress due to ever increasing disorder, crime, and violence. Okay, so nowadays, stress is a common condition, but everybody is having some or the other stress conditions. But we should be able to face it and cope with it and work with it. Addiction. Next is addiction. Peer group influence, that means the group in which you are into, it will affect you if it is not good. That means if your friends are not good, if they are indulged in some kind of addiction of tobacco, cigarette, gutka, alcoholic drinks, drugs, etc., due to their pressure, you might get into this, or you might imitate your elders also. But this is dangerous. This will lead to addiction, and temporarily intoxicating drugs of plant origin may permanently damage the human nervous system, muscle system, heart, etc. So you must be staying away from that. Next, page 103. Incurable disease. Incurable diseases like AIDS, TB, leprosy, mental disorders. Okay, this also affects the social health. That means those person who are suffering from such kind of diseases, they are kept, if they are old persons, they are kept in old homes, old age homes, or they have to remain away from other people. So these are the factors disturbing the social health. What are the factors? It is mental stress, addiction, incurable diseases. This is a 3-mark question. Towards the right, think whether the incidents shown in the following picture is rational. In that picture, there is a lady who is shouting at an old person. Violence against old people is not rational. That picture, that condition is not, incidence is not rational. Now, can you tell question? Have you ever seen the persons inebriated with drugs and or liquor loitering on dirty places? Okay, it is a pitiful condition. What about liquor? Liquor is obtained from alcohol. Okay, liquor is alcohol obtained through fermentation of substances. We know that. And it affects the efficiency of nervous system and the liver. Brain development is also affected due to alcoholism, and thereby the ability of memorization and learning becomes slow. Addictive person cannot think rationally. Due to this, the person has to face social, mental and familial illness along with physical illness. So it is a very bad habit. Next, communication media and excessive use of modern technology. There are 2 caricatures given presenting situations of the year 1998 and 2017. In the first picture, there is a lady who is pulling her child home to study. Children used to spend more time at those times playing outside, and parents had to bring them home to study. But what has happened nowadays? Nowadays, the overuse of mobiles and computers is affecting the physical health and also creates a feeling of selfishness in the students or in children. So, the parents push them to go out and play for physical activity and to build up some social health. Next, page number 104. Nowadays, excessive, unnecessary and irrational use of modern technology and communication media is becoming a sensitive issue through a viewpoint of social health. So, unnecessary and irrational use of modern technology is disturbing the social health. This has led to various physical problems like tiredness, headache, insomnia. Insomnia means sleeplessness, forgetfulness, tinnitus. Tinnitus is ringing sound in your ears, joint pains, and problems in vision may arise due to radiation of cell phones. That paragraph, the second paragraph, is the disadvantages of cell phones and the technology. You may learn that, you could get the points which you will be able to write. More serious fact is this: those radiations penetrate the bones of children more effectively than the bones of adults. Persons continuously using the computers and internet become solitary. Solitary means they get the habit of staying alone. They cannot establish harmonious relations, that means good relations, with relatives and other members of the society. They become self-centered, and it may lead to development of problems like autism and selfishness. Chronic effect of such tendency is that they are not ready to help others in need, and hence they also do not get any help in need. That means when a person who is not ready to help others won't be getting any type of help in return. Okay, so they become selfish due to continuous use of computers. Now recall a little. Do you recall the sudden closing of any cartoon serial of foreign origin being telecast on television? You might have seen different cartoon serials, okay, which were closed after some time. Explain details on happenings about Blue Whale game. Now this Blue Whale game was a particular type of game in which the online Blue Whale game, it is a suicide game which engages a person in various challenges, and the person get engaged, and gradually the children become addicted to internet and get disconnected from the parents. This game includes series of about different challenges, with the last one being prompting one to end life. So there were several incidences where children ended their lives. Next, children who watch the cartoon films may imitate the characters of those films. Tendency and behavior of the children who play the games like virtual war and car races. You might be playing these about the games about virtual war and about car races. These children gradually become negative. Some games available on cell phones and computers are extremely time consuming. It also causes economic losses. It lose concentration on some essential objects, and it may also prove fatal. So while playing games, the particular time which is given, only for that particular time you should be playing it, and only particular games. Okay, it should not change. It should not affect your physical or mental health. Now, why is there an increase in the news of death by drowning in ocean, falling in deep valleys, or under trains during catching the cell phone selfie? Okay, you know about selfie, and everyone nowadays is having the craze to upload selfies and getting appreciated from people. So that is why there is an increase in news of death, because it could lead to death if there are some adventures which are being followed. Next, there is increasing competition to upload the videos of road accidents instead of helping the victims. What is the mentality of such people? Okay, those people, they are more concerned with their posts on the social media. Instead of helping people, they want to get more and more likes, more and more comments, more and more shares on social media. Okay, that is why they upload the videos of road accidents. Why are the video clips of parents threatening or hitting the children not studying as per their wish, or domestic helpers beating the children, are very common on social media nowadays? We know that parents generally have high expectations, but if they are having some extreme high expectations from their children, they beat their children if they don't get enough marks, or they don't behave according to their wish, Okay, such things are being uploaded. The domestic helpers, they might not be affectionate to children while the parents are away. Such videos are also seen, very common on social media nowadays. Now, figure 9.6. Now, the question will be, they will give you that figure and ask you to explain. So, in the picture, there is a boy who is eating his food, but his mobile is on and he is doing something on his mobile. Now, there is no concentration on swallowing the food, and that swallowing, the speed with which you are eating, it could be more, or the person might not be chewing the food enough. So, these all conditions would lead to indigestion and other related problems. Figure 9.7. The person is taking a selfie on the road. This all conditions, such adventurous conditions, could lead to accidents. Page number 105. Figure 9.8. There are some people who is recording the particular condition of a person who has just suffered an accident. So people actually should help that particular person and call medical assistance immediately instead of doing such things. Now, such people who indulge in such destructive and unnatural activities is usually under stress. Okay, persons indulging in selfie is not aware about the world around and the risks. This is called as selficide. You may underline in the second paragraph, first sentence, question, 1 mark question, what is meant by selficide? Explain. Persons indulging in domestic violence, sending messages to others before committing suicide, or those who send the video clips of suicidal act are mentally ill, and they do so to win the sympathy. Now, the next is about cyber crimes. This is a very important part of the chapter. What are the different methods in cyber crime? The first point is, banks continuously spread the message on mobile phones not to disclose Aadhaar, PAN, credit card number, debit card number, and other personal information. You should not disclose your PIN to anyone of your ATM card. Then the consumers are deceived by showing superior items. While doing online shopping, you are shown superior items, but while you get it delivered, you will get the impaired ones or low quality ones. Bank transactions should be done using PIN without the knowledge of consumers. Confidential information is obtained from internet with the help of computer programs, and it could be misused. This is called as hacking of information. Nowadays, a fake account on Facebook, it is used for disturbing others, displaying false information, and thereby teasing the girls or exploiting them financially. This is occurring nowadays, happening nowadays. Misuse or illegal sale of written literature, software, photos, videos, music, etc. from the internet, it is called as piracy. These all points you have to learn. You may write it in the form of single sentences and learn. Page number 106. Electronic media is also misused by sending derogatory messages, spreading vulgar pictures and inflammatory statements. Exchange of information through media like email, Facebook, WhatsApp occurs very fast, and the personal information, phone numbers are automatically spread, which could lead to malpractices. Now, these different types of incidences, it could be searched by the cybercrime unit. Okay, the cybercrime unit, it has been newly launched in the police department. They investigate the cybercrime, and thereby the criminal could be caught. Do you know there is a Box IT Act 2000? You may mark that. It is a very frequently asked fill in the blank. This act has been enacted since 17th October 2000, and been amended in 2008. Next is about stress management. There are different methods of stress management. First is about laughter club. Next is establishing communication with friends. Then teachers, cousins, parents. Fostering the hobbies like material collection, photography, reading, cooking, sculpturing, drawing, rangoli. There are different activities. Now, by positive thinking, negative thoughts are automatically neutralized, and thus you can manage your stress. Besides this, the other activities like sports, physical exercise improves discipline, interaction, tendency of unity, loneliness is driven away due to that, and the person becomes social. Page number 107, in the first paragraph they have given the importance of yoga in relieving stress. Regular exercising, massaging, visiting the spa to help to relieve the stress. Yoga is just not about asanas and pranayam, but it is about disciplined, balanced and good food and meditation also. Deliberate inculcation of characters like time management, planning of our own duties and decision power is nothing but cultivating the socially strong and ideal personality. Now, there are 3 points given. Some information about NGOs. Unified Movement Against Tobacco. This movement has been started by 45 different well-known organizations like WHO, Tata Trust, etc. for controlling the tobacco consumption. Salam Mumbai Foundation. This is an NGO organization which runs programs in various schools to empower the children living in slum area in the field of education, sports, arts and business. It also encourages the children to take education by helping them to improve their health and lifestyle. The last is about government schemes. Phone number and helpline numbers are published in newspaper to help the children in distress or facing any type of problem. Children contact the helpline to narrate their problems. Proper help and guidelines are offered to children. Figure 9.11, that also could be given and a question could be asked. It is basically on counseling children to help them in their problems, and proper help and guidelines are given to them. This is about chapter 9. If you are having any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.